Protect tile shine by preventing grit, abrasive tools, and thinset from contacting the surface during installation and cleaning. Start by controlling the worksite daily. Sweep and vacuum with a soft bristle broom and a vacuum head designed for hard floors several times each day to remove loose grit that causes micro scratches. When moving boxes or fixtures, lift rather than slide and use soft moving pads or 2 layers of heavy felt understands to spread weight and prevent edge gouging. For tools, use only new or well-cleaned sponges, microfiber cloths, non-metal scrapers, and plastic float blades. Metal tools and damaged grout floats will score glaze. If thinset or grout spills on tile, remove it while still fresh using a damp microfiber pad and warm water. And for cured haze, use a non-abrasive haze remover applied with a soft pad, following product directions and testing a hidden area first. Always rinse thoroughly and dry with a soft microfiber towel to avoid mineral streaking that can look like dulling. For power cleaning, use low-speed floor machines with soft white or beige pads only, and keep the pad clean and free of trapped grit by rinsing often. Common mistakes start with assuming a single sweep is enough, which lets small stones remain and create scratches. Fix it by sweeping, then vacuuming and repeating at the end of each shift. Another is dragging heavy items or appliances across the tile, which causes chips and deep scratches. Prevent that by lifting items or using sliders and layered protective padding. A third is using harsh scouring cleaners, steel wool, or stiff bristle brushes that abrade the glaze. Instead, use pH-neutral tile cleaners, soft microfiber pads, and manufacturer-recommended non-abrasive haze removers, and always test first. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project know-how so users can find the right help and discuss real experiences. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips about installation and ongoing maintenance, so we all learn to keep floors looking new.